Alrighty folks, let me get Greenie out of my way so I can get in here. Got a 335 over there out of the view of the camera. I don't know if you can ever capture this top. This thing is stunning in person, but it's very almost impossible to capture on camera. Anyways, it's only wood. I'm gonna noodle on the Tele. I might come up with a name and start a thing on YouTube with this called Hanging with Clay or something, you know? Only I'll start wearing decent clothes and a do-rag and kind of put on a look, you know, so I don't, not in my pajamas like I'm always doing lately here. So anyways, this is a... This is a vintage brand. That's the name of the brand. A vintage reissued series. It's called a V58 JD. Jerry Donahue. Whoever that is, I don't even know who it is. But a friend of mine had it. We worked out some trading. So I ended up with it. It's got a Strat neck pickup in it. And that's because that's what that artist uses, okay? It's not a, it's a Strat neck pickup. And it's got a 5-way switch on it, okay? I actually put this up for sale because, you know, I want to get something else. They come out with a new model on something else on a Les Paul. So there it is on the, all the way up. So it's a satin finish. You can see the wood through the satin finish. It's got cool grain in it. I guess it's ash. Maple fretboard. It had a little bit of jagged along the edges here. Nothing real bad, but this is my forte. So I dressed that all when I got it a few weeks ago, a month ago, whatever. And dressed it real nice, polished the frets. I put some Ernie Ball 9.5s on it. So here's the second position from the furthest this way. $500. I looked them up. They're 600. It's new, pretty much. I mean, it was brand new. It didn't even have any scratches on the pickguard. It was unplayed. I got it in a trade with a friend of mine who comes over often, a couple times a month. Here's the middle position, and it's got a cool. It doesn't come with it. The 600. You don't get any gig bag or anything with it, but my buddy gave me it's like a fake leather, brown leather. It's a really cool looking gig bag for it, with it. So that's in the middle position. Then here's I guess that's the second position, right? You would call the bridge. Here's the bridge. And then here's the second position. position again. And here's the all the way up. Anyways, it's a nice guitar. I like it. They came out with a new Epiphone 59 Les Paul with the $500 custom buckers in it, like the Gibson Custom Shop pickups, and it's got the Gibson, all Gibson guts. The tailpiece lightweight aluminum like the Custom Shop Gibsons, the Gibson bridge, you know, so real cool item. My sloppy playing over there. So yeah, there you go. I actually like the in-between positions like here. Nice guitar. No, this is just a clean. I got a little delay on the amp. Just a little cube, $175 amp. Spray that with some stuff. And the bridge. Tone down. So there you go, a little sound bite on this guitar. I got up for sale for $500. The price is firm. It's as new, other than the well, it's got scratches on the pickguard now because I've been playing it. And comes with a gig bag. Cool gig bag.